We cut it?
I think we're gonna have to, but let me just.
The indicator ignition module, the same as what it was. Can't get them, it's a change up, so to change it, you gotta change flows.
Yeah.
And the mice have eaten the ignition wires in the spark plug,
Okay.
but the standard core was still good, it was just leaking outside, so I said, let's just throw some.
Much easier than the single.
I agree with you. The roof building this wall. I thought I could have a quick video. So that's where we're taking our stuffs, our equipment, materials. See, put some wood in there. Piece of them, that's where it is. And this is where they play baseball. Chevy had a game here yesterday. See, they won, and that's the golf area. It's a great golf here, golf ground, golf field. There's a clubhouse in there for drinks and stuff like that. Yeah, there's a lot of going on here. Summertime. Trailers. And all the cabins are over there. So all the houses, the cabins are over there. Yeah, let me get back to work. Telling you guys about the golf cart. That's the golf. That's the play golf. That's the golf area that I told you. Yeah. That's the river. Collier Riverside Park. That's the river in front of me. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's the golf ground. Yeah. Yes, they do have mini golf here too. This is all they say best that people say. See that? That's a mini golf for the kids. Right off there, there's a swimming place too. They have a swimming area. That's the clubhouse I told you, drinking some beers, and yeah, and that's where they a booth of some food. Yep, and that's where the swimming pool is. They have a swimming pool in there. Yeah, it's my buddies, and all the cabins are here. You see. A lot of them, they're like over 100, I don't know. And this is the one we're working on. Yeah, I should get back to work, man. Alright, peace out, guys.